Welcome to KSRIS Academy. And now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 12th November 2021. India seeks $1 trillion in climate finance to meet its targets. India has demanded $1 trillion over the next decade from developed countries to adapt and to mitigate the challenges arising from global warming, and has kept this as a condition for delivering on climate commitments made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. సో ఇండియా డెవలప్డ్ కంట్రీస్ నుంచి $1 trillion డిమాండ్ చేస్తున్నారు ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు అడాప్ట్ అండ్ మిటిగేట్ ద ఛాలెంజెస్ విచ్ అరైజ్ డ్యూ టు గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్. అండ్ ఇండియా క్లైమేట్ కమిట్మెంట్స్ డెలివర్ చేయడానికి కూడా $1 trillion కండిషన్ గా సెట్ చేశారు. అండ్ ఇండియా హ్యాస్ అ 5-fold ప్లాన్ విచ్ ఎయిమ్స్ at reducing carbon intensity and eventually achieving net zero by 2070. And net zero ante it is when a country's carbon emissions are offset by taking out equivalent carbon from the atmosphere so that emission and balance are zero. ఎంత కార్బన్ అయితే మనం అట్మాస్ఫియర్ లోకి రిలీజ్ చేస్తున్నామో అంతే కార్బన్ ని ఎఫిషియెంట్ గా మనం తిరిగి అబ్సార్బ్ చేసుకోవడానికి నెట్ జీరో అంటాం. సో నా ఎమిషన్స్ ఆర్ జీరో. NDCs are voluntary targets that countries set for themselves, which describe the quantum and kind of emission cuts that they will undertake over a fixed period to contribute to preventing runaway global warming. So nationally determined contributions. So these are voluntary targets if ప్రతి country set చేసుకుంటాయి, and these describe the kind of emission cuts a country wants to make for a fixed ఒక పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం కి ఎలాంటి ఎమిషన్ కట్స్ చేస్తాయి ఒక కంట్రీ చేస్తుంది అని నేషనల్లీ డిటర్మైన్డ్ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్స్ డిస్క్రైబ్ చేస్తాయి. అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ అ ఫిక్స్డ్ పీరియడ్ ఆఫ్ టైం అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మేడ్ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు ప్రివెంట్ గ్లోబల్ వార్మింగ్. సో ఇండియాస్ లాస్ట్ NDC 2015 ప్యారిస్ డీల్ లో సబ్మిట్ చేసింది. And November 1st, local countries were expected to update their NDCs, but India did not furnish one. Landslip hit Kottayam, Pathanamthitta. So what is a landslip? So oka general slope nundi a mass of rock, kani, mud or earth with the influence of gravity when they slope downwards, and then it is called a landslip. The eastern high ranges of Kottayam and Pathanamthitta, which came under a spell of extreme showers, were hit by a series of landslips. So these two areas had heavy rainfall and they experienced a series of landslips. Residential areas in the downstream of these locations witnessed a heavy gush of water and mud, which entered several houses and commercial establishments. So there was a very heavy gush of water and mud which entered houses and commercial establishments, and several crops could destroy, but no casualties were reported. And the mudslides wala, there was a water level rise in Akenkoil and Kallar rivers, which inundated several houses. CAG pulls up state for lapses in 2018 floods. So Computer and Auditor General pulled up Kerala government for lapses, policy and infrastructural deficiencies. And CAG aim note chesarante, he noted that Kerala state water policy, it was not updated with national water policy, and it lacked provisions for flood control and flood management. And floodplain zoning legislation ni kuda state enact cheyaledu, and floodplains were not identified and demarcated. Flood hazard maps, which are vital for pinpointing flood-proof regions, used by the state backed in 2010. ఇది సెంట్రల్ వాటర్ కమిషన్ యొక్క క్రైటీరియాని క్వాలిఫై అవ్వలేదు. And CAG recommended that the government has to take corrective measures in all these three areas. Wide Himalayan roads must for defense. The armed forces cannot surrender nation's defense to threats of landslips caused by widening of Himalayan roads for quickly moving military hardware to the very vulnerable Indo-China border. The Union government sat in the Supreme Court. So, Union government ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే national defense అనేది we can't compromise against landslip caused by widening of Himalayan roads. ఇప్పుడు మనం military hardware ని Indo-China border కి తీసుకెళ్లాలంటే we need to widen Himalayan roads, and landslips వల్ల వచ్చే threats ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం national defense ని compromise చేయలేమంటున్నారు. And this hearing it was based on an application filed by the center to modify the court's September 8, 2020 order that roads of the Cherdam highway project should be 5.5 meters in width in compliance with the 2018 circular of Roads and Highways Ministry. So Supreme Court on September 8, 2020, it passed an order that Cheldam Highway Project lo roads ani 5.5 meters width lo undalani, and this was based on 2018 circular of Roads and Highway Ministry, and center is asking the court to modify this order. So recent ga court environment ఇంకా డిఫెన్స్ ఈ రెండింటిని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయాలని చూస్తున్నారు. 18th century idol returned to Uttar Pradesh government. So an idol of goddess Annapurna that was stolen from the Kashi Vishwanath temple and smuggled to Canada over 100 years ago was on Thursday handed over to the Uttar Pradesh government. So Annapurna goddess Annapurna idol, which was smuggled to Canada, has been now handed over to Uttar Pradesh government. China, US to increase climate cooperation. The world's top carbon polluters, China and the United States, agreed to increase their cooperation and speed up action to rein in climate damaging emissions, signaling a mutual effort on global warming at the time of tensions over other disputes. So China and the United Nations climate change ni fight చేయడంలో cooperation ఇంకా speed పెంచాలనుకుంటున్నారు, and the signals a mutual effort on global warming. China also agreed for the first time to crack down on methane leaks. Beijing and Washington agreed to share technology to reduce emissions. So emissions తగ్గించడానికి టెక్నాలజీని కూడా షేర్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు చైనా ఇంకా యుఎస్. Governments agreed in Paris to jointly cut greenhouse gas emissions enough to keep the global temperature rise well below 2 degrees Celsius since pre-industrial times, with the most strident target of trying to keep warming up to 1.5 degrees Celsius preferred. So Paris Agreement prakaram anni countries they agreed to keep the global temperature rise up to 2 degrees and warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Thank you.